Every revision 3 Powermill with a serial number higher than PMH 102649 or PFH 100966 or PMJ 100019 has already been reworked at our production line. Of course, any of the existing Powermills could have already been reworked by others in the warehouse, at installation or during field service. By looking at the switch module, you can visually identify if a Powermill already has been reworked or not, without opening the product. Make sure you have a clear view of the 3 pins of the line cord connection. If the area around the pins is flat, the old version of the switch module has been used and thus the Powermill has not been reworked. If the area around the pin is elevated, then the new version of the switch module has been used and thus the Powermill has been reworked already.